As March continues to roll by, severe weather becomes more active and likely across the United States. At this time of year, a seasonal rise in temperatures and humidity helps create higher cloud tops and much stronger thunderstorms, which can cause hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. But how exactly do these storms form? It all starts with the sun. As the sun heats the surface of the earth, it heats the air above it. The warmer the air becomes, the less dense and lighter it will be. This causes the air to rise. As the air rises higher into the troposphere, it begins to cool. In the spring months, the atmosphere becomes more hydrated. This means when the air cools as it rises in the troposphere, it quickly condenses into clouds. A greater water content also increases the volume and power of these clouds. In fact, some of these clouds get so high that condensed water vapor begins to freeze. As these condensed water particles freeze, they turn into ice particles that grow by collecting water particles that have not yet frozen. Eventually, these ice particles will begin to collide with each other, sometimes ripping parts of pieces of other ice particles. This transfer of ice from one particle to another will gather an electric charge. Many of these collisions occurring at the same time will build up regions of electric charge, which will initiate a bolt of lightning. Once a thunderstorm is formed, many different factors go into creating hail, winds, and tornadoes. The strongest thunderstorms that produce these damaging factors happen most often in Tornado Alley, which spans across the heart of the country from Texas to the Dakotas. While this is said, strong thunderstorms and tornadoes can happen anywhere across the lower 48 United States. This is why it is always important to stay prepared for severe weather and updated with the latest weather forecast. While severe weather season peaks in May, the threat for severe weather will remain for months to come.